my dear granddaughters and grandsons. नेपाली में नातिनी, उसका नाम नाता. Wishing you an advance Happy New Year 2083, starting on 26th April 14, Tuesday. We published 2081 calendar, 82 calendar and 83 also we will publish. We have two international journals, one Indian Journal of Botanical Research and another Indian Journal of Multidisciplinary Research. And one issue was published on 2 months back on economic growth of Nepal with 18 articles. So it was on 65th birthday of Tribhuvan University. Then regarding Tribhuvan University, King Tribhuvan का wife, उसका नाम कांदी Queen Kandi was the Kandi Rajalakshmi Devi Shah was born on 5th July 1906 in India at Sidapur and died at the age of 66, 12th April 1973. Kandi was the mother of King Mahendra and grandmother of King Virendra, the most loved king of Nepal. King Virendra ka beti Girvani was 2 months age, Shruti ka beti. And Surangana was just 8 months when their mother was shot dead at 24. This Girvani was in Kerala near my house for many months, 10 years back, and she was studying medicinal plants. And I am happy to be here because Queen Kandi was appointed as the chairperson for the starting of Tribhuvan University in 1958, June 25th. Kandi put foundation stone for the Tribhuvan University, where your principal and most of the teachers study. And the official inauguration of Tribhuvan University was on 25th June 1959. So I am happy to publish this journal on that birthday, and 26 is also over, and your university, or mother university of all universities of Nepal, is reaching 70 and 75. So more growth is needed for Nepal, and that program title was Possibilities of 500% Economic Growth of Nepal in 5 years. So my owner in Kathmandu told me, Queen Kandi sold her gold and diamonds and gave that money for building Tribhuvan University. So she gave 375 rupanis of land from her own side. So Kandi, you are studying in Kandi. Kandi is the best queen of Nepal, and you should study more about Kandi. Then my PhD was in human population genetics. During my MSc and PhD I have studied tribals. So because of their poor condition I have avoided marriage ka sadhya and constructed a house. And in the same year, one Girls Only college constructed more than 25 houses. Now every college and every school is constructing houses. Last year, Dr. Girish Kumar, that college constructed more than 25 houses. You can also construct houses for the poor people of this area. Anyway, that was started as a revolution. Similarly, your medicinal garden in that side, principal told, some medicinal plants are there. Kandi Medicinal Garden will be the best medicinal garden of Nepal. Okay? Then February 19, Rail Metro के बारे में एक program is coming here. Already brochure is there. Flux will be coming. And September 9, this आम में आम नहीं है, mango नहीं है, आम है, आम में mango नहीं है. क्यों? So we can convert that आम into old time आम And in one branch, one type of farm, in another branch, another type of farm is possible. So Mera MSc in genetics and plant breeding, and September 9, one more program on agriculture, on International Agriculture Day. So I am not, principal told me next time you will get an opportunity to sit there in a hall, upper bada hall with a balcony and niche bada niche screen. All of you can sit in near future, and principal will complete with the help of everybody with the new government forming in near future. So all the best, and as I told you initially, I feel in Nepal I have lot. Your principal was not born when I was studying my BSc. The academic he is my father, but really my age is 60. He is like my son, and that is why you are like my Natini and Nati. So thanks. Please pray for me also. Please pray for our family. All the best. Thank you so much.
Thank you.